In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw an X in Bluebeam. So there's actually no direct tool to do this. However, I'm going to show you an easy way to get perfect X's in here in Bluebeam. So first, go ahead and hit F8 on your keyboard. So what F8 will do, it's going to open up this bar at the bottom, and you want to go ahead and click on Show Grid over here. And then you also want to snap the grid. Now, when you do that here, you can zoom in to make this easier. And then you want to first use this line tool over here on the right. You could find it under Tools up top, Markup, and then Line, or just by pressing L on your keyboard. And then you want to go ahead and start with a line. So for example, this one, and you simply want to hold down your Shift key, and you want to go down towards like a 45-degree, and you want to go ahead and basically create a line. So this is going to be the size of your X. So let's say I'm going to go from that dot to this one. I'm going to release it. There we go. We have our first line, and then you want to create the second one as well. So I'm going to click on over here. Then you simply go to this line up top, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on it, and I'm going to hold the Shift key again to make it straight, and I'm going to go down here, and this now is a perfect X. Now, of course, this is basically how you can draw them, and then you can go ahead and also save them so we can do them easily later. So what I would do here is I'm actually going to make these a bit thicker. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that to like 3. And then this one, I'm also going to make this one 3 over here like that. Okay. And then I'm going to group these. So I'm going to select all of them, the first one, and then hold down my Shift key and the second one. And then I'm going to right click and click on a group. And then as you can see here, I now have the X. Now, if I right click that, I could also add this to tool chest. So for example, I can add it inside tutorial, which is my custom tool chest. And as you can see here, I've added a custom tool, and whenever I now click on it, I can go ahead and place the X wherever I want from inside my tool chest. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.